Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pooja. I make beauty, makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos on my channel. So if that is what interests you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notifications to get notified every time I come out with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup when I go out. So in Instagram and in YouTube, I do a lot of heavy glam makeup look, but let's be real, we do not usually wear so much of makeup when we step out of the door. And personally for me, I really do not apply a lot of makeup when I go out. So I will be showing you guys literally how I do my makeup just in 5 minutes. And yeah, I am filming a video after so long. I'm super duper happy and pumped up to film this video. So let's just begin with today's video. Okay, so I will be starting off by applying a primer, and for that I will be using the Inside 3-in-1 primer, and this is how it looks like. So usually I do not apply any primer on my face when I go out of the house, but I am breaking out as you can see, and I do not want my foundation to have direct contact with my face, and that is why I will be using a primer. This step I usually skip most of the time. A good moisturizer does the work for me. So today I will be using a primer. This is actually maskne. I am facing a lot of maskne recently. So yeah, let's just skip it and let's just apply the primer. So I just took a little bit on my hands and then I will be applying it on my face, especially concentrating on this area right here. The other part of my face is pretty even right now. Only my cheeks is having maskne. Next I will be moving on with the CC cream, and this is the one that I use. This is the Lakme 925 CC cream in the shade bronze. So usually I do not apply foundation on a regular basis. I directly apply a CC cream. Previously when I went to college, I used to apply CC cream regularly on my face and I avoided foundation completely. So today also I will be using this. And then I will just blend it with my foundation brush, but usually I just blend everything with my hands. I know this is not going to give me any kind of coverage, but that is not what we want today. So next I will be moving on with the concealer, and I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25. So again, I usually do not apply a lot of concealer on my face. I will be just applying 2 dots, one here and one here, and that's it. Then I would just blend it with the same foundation brush. I do not actually have dark circles, but recently I am having a little bit of dark circles, so yeah, that is why I will just apply it a little bit. For contour today I will be using the C.A.L Los Angeles contour wheel, and this is the shade that I will be mixing. You just need a little bit and you are good to go. I will be contouring my nose also. And that's it. Okay, so we are done with the base makeup. Let's just move on with the eyes. So I usually do not apply any kind of eyeshadows on my eyes. I will just curl my lashes and put on some good mascara, and that's it. So this is a curler that I usually use. This is from MINISO and it's a very amazing curler. It curls the lashes so nicely and it doesn't really poke into the eyes, which is amazing. So as this is a very neutral everyday makeup look, I just go overboard with my lashes, and for that I always use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is my go-to now. I know this is a waterproof mascara, but still I use it because it gives such amazing lashes and I am just obsessed. So I will be applying 2 coats of the mascara and we are done with the eyes. Okay, so we are done with the eyes. Let me just zoom you guys and show you how my lashes look. So this is how my lashes look currently. It looks so voluminous and I absolutely love the results. Next, I would just do a little bit of inner corner highlights, and for that I would be using the Maybelline Muse eyeshadow palette, and here we have this gorgeous highlighting shade. So today I will be using this one and this one. I will be mixing three of them and do my inner corner highlights. So I will just apply it on my inner corner. This just helps to make your eyes pop. And yeah, I would just apply a little bit, and next I would be applying this on my nose as a highlight. So this palette is really good for highlighting purposes. It has such beautiful shades. So I would also take a little bit and highlight my face with this. Just a little bit. We don't want a lot of highlight, just a little bit is good enough. Okay, so the last step is actually applying a lipstick. So I usually switch between my lipsticks, but today I will be mixing these two lipsticks right here. So these are the lipstick. The first one is by MyGlam and it is their K-Play collection. So this one is in the shade Cherry Burst, and this one is from Nika and this is the Demi Matte collection, and this is in the shade Basic. So I love this shade. It is a very neutral, plumpy shade, but I will be mixing it with this one because now we need some matte lipstick on our face. We usually wear mask, so yeah, this is a demi matte lipstick, so I usually mix this up with a matte lipstick like this one. You can wear this lipstick by its own. It looks so gorgeous, but I would be mixing it with the MyGlam K-Play lipstick. So this is a maroonish shade and I love this shade. I would actually take a little bit of lipstick and apply it as my blush, as I always do. I do not apply blushes, I just apply lipstick. So just a little bit is good enough. So yeah, we are done. That's the final look, you guys. It looks so fresh yet a little glamorous. I usually do not wear heavy glam on a regular basis, but I do this makeup whenever I am stepping out of door. Even when I went to college, I used to do this kind of makeup and it looks so good. I do not usually apply eyeshadows and everything. I just do a little bit of mascara, and you guys, I cannot step out of the door without doing my lashes. That is the main attraction of my whole face, I believe. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and I hope this was a little bit inspirational for you all, that you do not need to apply a full face of makeup whenever you go out. So yeah, that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And you can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm totally active there. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.